guys, so we are in sunny Nanny Glow, and oh, I hope that showed up. So we are in sunny Nanny Glow, and we are preparing my car for the street class in SCCA Autocross, which consists of just a few minor modifications. And what we're doing today is we're adding the exhaust to it.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, dated over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're the horizon. You're the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun. Taking me a while to get it.
So right now, we're fighting with 2 bolts connected to the cat, because if we get those 2 out, this whole pipe just falls right out, and then we can get the actual muffler out. But I don't know why the exhaust is always the first place to rust and just not want to come off. Probably because they don't want you to take it off, but whatever. We're gonna do it anyway. We're still gonna send it.
You're the horizon. You're the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I
If it starts to fall, I'll let Megan know. Ooh, what'd we break? It loose, apparently. All right, that works. I'm all right with that.
Best case scenario. No, we broke it. But hey, I don't need those bolts.
Yeah, it works. We got a new one. That's fine.
And now we have half a bolt inside the flange for the catalytic converter, which wouldn't be a problem if SCCA allowed turbo back exhausts in the street class, but they don't, only cat back. So now we gotta figure out how to get that out, plus this heat shield off, because we need to get to the back of it to put the other bolts back in. This job just got a lot harder. Do you have safety glasses? I'd feel way better with glasses on. So we don't have safety glasses, but what we do have is an old welding hood with a clear lens. So here we go.
If we need him, he's here too.
So at 2 in the morning, we arise, stop that. At 2 in the morning, we arise completely defeated because that one bolt is still in there, and now we need a new bit to get it out because I broke the other one. And so now I get to hear what the Evo sounds like with just a straight downpipe because gotta get out of the garage. It's not as bad as I thought.
No.
Not at all. I think it's because the cat's still in there.
Yeah.
And so it has like a little bit of muffler.
It's nice because now nobody will hate me too bad, you know?
Yeah. Okay, I'll get out of your way.
Day 2.
Alright, day 2 of trying to get this exhaust on, and we brought in some backup with a lot more tools than, well, they're probably here, we just couldn't find them. So, but we know where they're at with this one. So, we're gonna get it on today. We got a bolt in! Woo! We got her in there. Grab my chin. Alright, here we go. Starting up the Evo for the first time with the new exhaust. Gonna hear what it sounds like. Oh my! If I don't die first. Okay.
Excited.
I'm so excited. So my dad didn't know that Tim's mom has a Firebird, and we were driving down the road to get up to the garage, and he slams on the brakes because he saw it up here in the yard. And so he had to come look at it.
Don't you growl at him.
So we're taking the first ride in the Evo with the new exhaust. It just, oh my god, it sounds so good. Finally sounds like a race car. I'm gonna have some fun with this. So honestly, it's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, which I'm kind of happy about because I live in a pretty tight area, and like my neighbors are pretty cool, and I didn't want to be that guy like coming home because I start work at like, I gotta leave at like 4 in the morning. I didn't want to be that guy at 4 in the morning firing up a really loud car. So maybe my lease is up at the end of this year, so maybe I'll wait until we find somewhere a little more out of the way before I do a full turbo back. So there we go. The exhaust is finally on. All I need is some lowering springs, and it is full race car mode, ready for the street class. I want to give a huge thank you to Tim for helping me get it most of the way apart, let me use his stuff so we could get it up in the air and make the job a lot easier. And then of course a like very, very big thank you to my dad for just coming in clutch with the right tools. We were struggling so bad until he came, and I want to give him a big thank you for coming the whole way out here just to help us with one little bolt that wouldn't come off. He's a good dad. I want to be a good dad like him.
Lightning strikes by my window. just right in the morning.